up, y'all? Today is my birthday and I am turning 24. I still feel 18 though. Like, I know I'm 24, but I still feel like mentally that I'm 18. Like, I'm more mature, but like, I don't know, I don't feel like I'm getting older, if that makes sense. But I was trying to decide if I wanted to go out to eat for my birthday tonight, because it is Wednesday, so, and Logan works today too, so. But I decided that I'm gonna cook instead, because I am craving chicken fricassee. It's been so long since I cooked a Cajun dish, and I'm just really craving some chicken fricassee. It's so good. I'll probably make potatoes au gratin too. It just kind of depends on if the Conad, which is like the local grocery store, has the ingredients for it. Hopefully they do. If not, I'll just change the side dish. But yeah, I'm glad I'll go walk there now because Logan has a car. But it's only like a 5-10 minute walk, so it won't be too bad. But so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to make chicken fricassee and potatoes au gratin, hopefully. So yeah, it'll be like a day in the life kind of vlog. So I just got back from the grocery store. It was kind of a hassle because like I don't know Italian obviously yet. So I'm basically standing there translating everything, trying to find the things I need. It's just awkward sometimes because I'm standing there for like 5 minutes. But I was looking for vegetable oil and none of the oils said vegetable. They had like frying oil, no, they had sunflower oil. I don't know, I don't know how to, Jesus Christ, I can't talk. I don't know how to substitute vegetable oil. So basically I made a list of things I couldn't find exactly at the Conad for Logan to get at the commissary. So he's gonna get like vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, Mexican cheese. I couldn't find any shredded cheese other than Parmesan and mozzarella. And there are other cheese, so I was like, I'll just get that at the commissary. And also milk, because they had warm milk. And I don't know, I'm just not really feeling the warm milk yet. I know that's like, it's normal and like it's okay to drink, but I'm just so used to cold milk, so he's gonna get that at the commissary. And cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. Yeah, I didn't find nothing even close to that at the store, so he's gonna get that. But I'll show you what I did get. So I just got celery, bell peppers. So I just needed 2 green bell peppers, but they only sold the try. So I just got 2 and I'll just snack on the other ones because I think they're a good snack. I got some onions, lots of onions, chicken. It's already diced up, which is really nice. So I could just throw it in, you know, the pot. And then I actually got some sushi because I'm like really hungry right now. So I'm about to eat that. So usually I use jalapeños or habaneros, but I couldn't find any. But I saw these, it said hot pepper spicy, so I'm gonna send it. I mean, it looks like a spicy pepper, so. I got garlic, and I got some potatoes. They don't really look like russet potatoes. I mean, a potato is a potato, so I just got those. And then I got me some wine. I'm about to pop the bottle now. Some Sauvé, I don't even know how to say that. And Pinot Grigio. I've already had this one. This one's really good. So I got it again, and then I saw this Pinot Grigio. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it. So that's what I got. I'm about to snack on that sushi, and then I'm gonna start cooking. Now that I got my drink poured, it's time to cook. Like I said in my gumbo video, if you ain't got a drink, you're not ready to cook, okay? When you're cooking Cajun food, you gotta have a drink in your hand. Cheers if you're cooking with me. my holy trinity in there. I got my bell peppers, my garlic, my celery, my onions, my hot peppers. It smells so good right now. So now all I just gotta do is add the chicken. Now that I got my chicken in there, I'm gonna start seasoning it. Gonna stir it every 10-15 minutes and slowly break it down. And then, like, you could tell, like, I mean, adjust the heat as you see fit. You just kind of gotta wing it. Make the mix for the potatoes au gratin. You're going to need 1 can of cream of mushroom. So pour that bitch in there. I'll spoon it out in a second. And then you're going to want 1 can of cream of chicken. And then you're going to want 1 can full of milk. And then I like to add some cheese into the mix. So I just kind of do like a handful of cheese, like that. And then we're gonna whisk it together. At 350 for 30 minutes covered, and then after the 30 minutes you're gonna take off the foil and put it in for another 30 minutes. Once that's over, you're gonna take the oven and put it on broil for 10 to 15 minutes on high, but watch it because it will burn really fast. So honestly, just put it on broil and watch it the whole time. And once it's really crispy, you take it out. Okay, so last time I showed you all how to make roux, I showed you how to make it in the microwave. Well, we don't have a microwave right now, so I am about to show you how to make it on the stove. So, in case you don't have a microwave, you can do it on the stove too. This is my first time doing it. I watched my dad, but let's see how it goes. So, same thing as for, okay, so we cleaned up the spoon. Maybe a little drunk already, okay? So, half a cup of vegetable oil, and then half a cup of flour, all-purpose flour. So put in the pot right there. And don't turn the heat on yet because we're gonna want to whisk it first, like really good together. Okay, so now we're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna put it honestly like low to medium, so like, I don't know, low to medium heat. And we're just gonna slowly cook this and whisk it. So I'm just gonna sit here whisking it on low medium heat, and then I will come back and show you what kind of color you want it to be. So I have gotten the roux to a pretty good color now. I feel like it's pretty dark. We're gonna turn the heat off. Whisk it again. We're gonna take it off the heat and just kind of let it sit for probably honestly like 10 minutes, just so it can separate from the oil and I can drain the oil out. I don't like my gravies really oily, so I'm gonna let it sit, cool down, separate from the oil, take the oil out, and then we're gonna put it in the chicken fricassee. So while we wait for the roux to settle, you're gonna want to pour water about this much, so like this much of the pot. So in gumbo you would do it up to here. So chicken fricassee is a thicker stew type consistency, so you're gonna do it lower. You put water while we wait for the roux to settle, because we're gonna want the water to boil before we put the roux in. So we got this boiling, and I also already went ahead and drained the oil. I literally just poured it out. It was like a top layer. So now it's ready. This looks calm. So now that this is boiling, I'm gonna spoon this in. So we're gonna let the roux boil through for like 15 minutes. Once it's boiled through, you kind of stir it in between too. You're gonna put the heat on simmer or low, and you'll let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then it is ready to eat over rice. And then I'll also show you whenever the potato au gratin is done. The potato au gratin is done now. Look at that. So good. Creamy, cheesy. Mmm.